Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another live session. Firstly, I would like to thanks to my viewer for investing your time with Seagull Staffing Solution. The session pertain to the job openings and opportunity for Pan India. Requesting you to pay attention all the slides, and if you have any question, we will discuss it at the end of the session. Seagull International, a human resource consultant since 1985, we are one of the biggest workforce provider in India. You can follow us on www.seagullhr.com. Our company profile: Seagull International LLP is an ISO certified global human resource consultant, headquarters at Mumbai, India, and having branches at New Delhi, Chennai, Calcutta, Kochi, Vadodara, Vizag, and overseas branches at Nepal, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, Sweden, UK, and Lithuania. Seagull is approved by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India. Our branches: Kochi, New Delhi, Vadodara, Chennai, Vizag, Calcutta. International branches: UK, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, and Lithuania. Our website is, we have a job portal which is seagalljobforyou.com. Here you can log in and upload your CV or scan here to upload your profiles. For Seagull Staffing Solution, to connect with us, you can scan this QR code or follow us on Facebook. Let's start with the job openings. One of the India leading transport company requires a head operation, lead operation, drive performance, and deliver excellence. Key responsibility: handling daily transport operation, fleet operation, smoothly manage drivers, vehicles, and logistic team, ensure safe and timely transportation services, coordinate with vendors and control transport cost, improve fleet performance and operation efficiency. Experience require more than 10 years of experience. Industry would be logistics and transportation. Qualification: any graduate, sector, logistics and transport. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading logistic company in Mumbai requires head of accounts. The key responsibility would be oversees the end-to-end accounting operations, ensure full compliance with direct and indirect taxation, drive financial discipline and the performance. Experience required for this position is minimum 9 years. Preferred section is logistics, transport, supply chain. Qualification: MCom, BCom, or MBA Finance. Interested candidate may please share CVs for on the following email ID or scan the given QR code. Leading logistic and transport company requires manager, HR, and admin in Mumbai. Position would be based out of their Vadala office. The key responsibility to manage recruitment, onboarding, employee engagement activities, handle payroll, input, attendance, leave, and employee records, ensure HR policy implementation and statutory compliance, oversees administration, facility management, vendor coordination, support performance management, training, HR and MIS reporting. Experience 6 to 10 years. Industry preferable logistics transportation. Qualification: MBA or diploma in human resource. Interested candidate may please share CVs for the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading logistic company requires billing executive. The key responsibility would be generate and issue invoice to customers in timely manner, verify billing data, include pricing, maintain and update billing records and documentation, coordinate with sales, accounts, and operation team for billing accuracy, resolve billing discrepancy and customer queries, prepare billing reports, and assist in financial audit, ensure compliance with company policies and financial regulation, maintain confidentiality and financial information, position based in Mumbai, experience 3 to 5 years, sector transport logistics, qualification, any degree, interested candidate. Please share your profile on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading logistic company is looking for an operation executive. Position would be based out of Mumbai. Person would be handling the customer queries and documentation and day-to-day operations. And experience required is 2 to 5 years. Type of sector, logistics, qualification, any graduate. Interested candidate may please share CVs on the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading transport company requires a credit control executive. Location would be Andheri East. Key responsibility would be monitor customer account, outstanding balance, and overdue payments. Follow up with the client through calls, emails, and meeting for timely collection. Gender preference, male, female, both. Type of sector, logistics, qualification, graduate, 5 to 8 years of experience. Interested candidate can share your profile on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading manufacturing company requires quality control executive. The key responsibility would be conduct in progress and inspection of materials, components, and finished product. Strong knowledge of mechanical inspection method and measurement instrument. Familiarity with quality control tools, QA tools, quality control plan, PFAP, FMEA, preferred quality inspection standard documentation, ISO procedures. Experience 2 to 3 years, type of sector, quality and production, qualification BE, mechanical engineer, location Gujarat, Mundra, and interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. A leading Dubai-based semi-government marine shipyard and oil and gas company has an operation in New Mumbai. Current opening with them is marine system engineers, senior piping engineer, electrical engineer production. Annual salary for the role would be anything between 29 to 32 lakhs. All candidate must have marine shipyard experience with reputed organization. Interested candidate may please share their profiles on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading logistic company requires executive depot operation for Chennai. Key responsibility manage depot operation, logistic coordination, and dispatch planning. Maintain inventory accuracy, stock reconciliation, and SAP updates. Ensure inbound scanning, tagging, engineer data compliances. Monitor SOP adherence, safety, quality, and operational efficiency. Handle container repairs, cost control, and customer issue resolution. SEP module knowledge is mandatory. Experience 5 to 7 years. Type of sector, supply chain, warehouse, logistics. Qualification, any degree or experience in logistics industry preferred with depot, warehouse related operation. Interested candidate may please share your profile on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the MNC shipping company requires assistant manager operation at Mumbai Andheri. The key responsibility handling all terminal vendor shifting, scanning, and other invoice process. Any tariff revision update in Compass system, checking and monitoring from 13 and Form 11. Preparation of DG refer ODC under check and deck manifest in Excel. Experience 5 to 8 years. Gender male. Sector shipping line, qualification graduate. Interested candidate may please share CVs to following email ID or scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading logistic companies require assistant manager customer experience. Key responsibility would be manage order processing, shipment coordination, and customer follow up. Ensure timely sales order update and shipment confirmation. Monitor deliveries and track KPI, including EA cleanups. Perform stock reconciliation and share key reports. aging damage. Handling onboarding and drive regular follow-ups for the delivery. Location Vashi, New Bombay. Experience 5 years. Industry exam and logistic qualification. Any graduate relevant field preferred. Interested candidate may please share their profile on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. A Dubai-based semi-government company into marine shipyard oil and gas sector requires a senior engineer, structural production engineer, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Qualification: naval architecture or mechanical engineer, technical equivalent. In industry sector: marine, shipyard, or offshore. Experience 10 to 15 years. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. And one of the leading insurance company is looking out for administrative executive. Location: Andheri West, Mumbai. Key responsibility: handle daily administrative tasks, manage and follow up on emails between staff, clients, and insurance company, coordinate communication, documentation between all parties, maintain and organize data records and files, track and update the status of ongoing cases and reports and requests on time, support the team with documentation, basis and operational work. Experience required is 1 to 3 years. Type of sector: any industry. Qualification: any graduate. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading banking and finance company is looking for a sales manager for South of India. Key responsibility would be drive sales of loan against property and home loan, residential loans, achieve monthly and quarterly sale target, build strong relationship with DSAs, direct selling agents, understand customers' requirement and suggest suitable loan products. Experience required is 3 years. Type of industry: banking and finance. Qualification: any graduate or related field. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading defense technology companies looking out for a chief financial officer. The key responsibility would be lead financial strategy, budgeting, and long term planning, oversee accounting, reporting, and compliance control, manage cash flow, investment banking relations, ensure regulatory compliance and risk management, lead finance team and improve system efficiency, partner with leadership on growth and cost optimization. Experience working with an IPO listed company is essential. Position based in Belapur, Navi Mumbai. Experience 15 to 25 years. Gender male. Type of entry: defense, accounting, finance. Qualification: CA or MBA. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading food chain company requires an IT executive. Location: Goregaon East. Key responsibility will ensure SOP compliance across outlet, conduct store visits and audit, handle queries and provide support, assist in outlet setup and onboarding. Eligibility criteria is experience 1 to 3 years, industry, retail or food and beverage industry. Qualification: graduate in any discipline. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading retail company requires sales executive. Key responsibility: minimum 1 to 4 years of sales experience, preferably perfume, cosmetic, jewelry, or luxury retail. Bachelor degree or diploma in business, marketing or related field is preferred. Strong communication, negotiable, and customer relation skill. Passion for fragrance and ability to meet sale target consistently. Position will be based out of Dahod, Gujarat. Experience 1 to 4 years. Gender any. Type of sector: luxury brand, fashion, lifestyle, cosmetic, retail, premium consumer goods. Qualification: any graduate. Interested candidate may please share their profile on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. Dubai is one of the leading retail company is looking out for an HR executive. The key responsibility would be recruitment, onboarding process, employee relation, HR operation, payroll coordination, attendance management, strong communication and interpersonal skill. Knowledge of UEE labor law would be an advantage. Ability to handle end-to-end HR activity independently. Immediate joiner preferred. Location: United Arab Emirates. Experience 5 to 10 years. Gender male. Type of industry: retail, FMCG, perfume. Qualification: MBA HR or Diploma HR. Interested candidate may please apply on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading financial services company requires advisor franchisee PCG, advising and managing ultra HNI clients, uploading products like selling products like mutual fund, PMS. Experience 2 years. Graduate any certification, NISM Series 8, equity derivative certificate. Type of sector: financial services, investment, BFSI. Qualification: any graduate, postgraduate in a related field. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading manufacturing requires a DGM, HR and administration. Key responsibility: to manage compensation and benefit, payroll and statutory compliance, lead manpower planning, HR budgeting and MIS reporting, drive talent acquisition and ensure timely quality hiring, ensure labor law, factory act and contract labor compliance, oversees training, administration, facility management and workplace safety. Position would be based out of Daman. Experience 14 to 15 years. Industry: manufacturing sector. Qualification: MBA HR, MLS diploma in HRM mandatory. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading construction company requires assistant general manager legal. Location: Bangalore. Key responsibility would be conduct title due diligence and provide legal opinion, draft and vet agreement, deed and contracts, manage property registration and coordination with authorities, ensure compliance, approval and RERA requirement, support legal advisory, risk management and documentation. Experience required 10 to 15 years. Sector: real estate, infrastructure. Qualification: LLB or LLM. Interested candidate may please share their CVs on the following email ID or scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading real estate company requires marketing executive. Location: Bangalore. Experience in education required: plan and execute a digital campaign, manage paid campaign including budgeting, track and analysis performance via Google Analytical Meta, implement SEO strategies and keyword optimization. Experience 2 to 5 years. Gender: any qualification, any graduate in degree in marketing. Sector: real estate or agency. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. India's leading manufacturing company is hiring corporate communication executive. Key responsibility would be ensuring timely and accurate communication via print, electronic, and social media, manage end-to-end processing of promotional material, calendar, notepad, merchandise, etc., coordinate internal sales review and technical review meeting, organize and manage meeting effectively. Location: Andheri. Experience 2 to 5 years. Qualification: degree, diploma in marketing management. Type of sector: open to all industries. Gender: open to all. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading investment company requires a chartered financial planner. Location: Goregaon West. experience 2 to 4 years, industry BFSI, wealth management, qualification, any graduate, uh, chartered financial planner, compulsory. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading financial services and investment company require relationship manager, key responsibility, client relation management, portfolio handling, revenue generation, business development, strong communication and negotiation skills, client meeting and field travel coordination, location Goregaon, Mumbai, experience 2 to 4 years, type of sector finance, qualification, graduate or related field, gender female candidate first preference, candidate interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading investment company require business head. Key responsibility would be drive business growth and active revenue, AUM and profitability target, manage and build relationship with HNI, UHNI clients for investment and wealth solution, lead and monitor the wealth management relationship management team, develop business strategy, market expansion plans and cross-selling opportunities, ensure smooth execution of financial services while maintaining compliance and client satisfaction. Location is Goregaon West, experience 5 to 8 years, type of sector, investment, wealth management, any graduate. Interested candidate, please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading manufacturing company requires digital marketing executive, location Andheri, qualification BBA graduate, type of sector any industry, experience 0 to 3 years. Interested candidate please share CVs to the given email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading transport company requires CS executive, handling ROC filing, MSC compliance activity, preparing and filing of annual return forms and statutory documents, assisting in board meeting, AGM, preparation of board resolution, maintaining statutory registered records and corporate documentation, coordinating with legal consultant, auditors, and government authorities. Location Andheri, experience minimum 5 years. Gender any qualification, CS professional or semi qualified. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading manufacturing company requires a graphic designer. Location would be Andheri, experience 1 to 3 years, industry any qualification, any graduate. Interest candidate please share the CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading manufacturing company requires a video editor. Position based at Andheri West, Mumbai. Experience 0 to 2 years. Type of sector agency. Qualification any graduate. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading logistic and transport company requires a field executive documentation coordinator. Location Andheri, Mumbai. Key responsibility would be government document submission, follow-up coordination, field visit and outstation travel for official work, documentation filing, paperwork management, coordination between internal team and authorities, strong English, Marathi, Hindi communication skills, experience 2 to 3 years, qualification, graduate, gender, and any language, English, Hindi, Marathi, compulsory, willing to travel. Interested candidate, please share your CVs on the given email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the Dubai-based leading freight forwarding company is looking out for regional manager sales. Key responsibility would be hands-on experience in freight forwarding sales, strong knowledge of ocean freight and air freight, ability to generate business through field visit, excellent team handling and leadership skills. Position based out of Chennai. Experience 8 to 20 years. Gender open to all. Industry freight forwarding. Qualification any graduate. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading shipping company requires a commercial head, position based out of Govandi. Key responsibility would be commercial strategy in business growth, sales and customer management, trade and pricing management, chartering and operation coordination, financial and P&L management, leadership and stakeholder management. Experience more than 10 years, sector shipping, qualification any graduate. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading jewelry company requires a retail sales officer, position based out of Powai. Key responsibility would be assist customers with jewelry selection and provide excellent in-store sales support, achieve sale targets through effective product presentation and customer engagement, build strong customer relationship to ensure repeat business and customer satisfaction, maintain showroom display stock management on overall store presentation, support billing, inventory, coordination with daily store operations, stay updated on the jewelry collection, pricing, promotion, and company SOP. Experience would be 2+ years. Gender in any industry jewelry. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan given QR code. One of the leading investment company requires relationship manager. Location Agra. Key responsibility would be achieve sales and EUM targets, drive business growth, achieve manage and clients, build and maintain strong relationship with the distributors. Experience 2 years. Qualification NISM 5A certification mandatory. Qualification any graduate. Type of sector investment, wealth management, mutual funds. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading logistic companies looking out for a pricing manager logistics. Experience 8 to 10 years. Qualification any graduate. Gender any industry. Logistics and freight forwarding. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading logistic companies require port operation head. Key responsibility will manage port and terminal operation, including vessel, cargo, and yard activity. Ensure effective utilization of manpower, equipment, and port infrastructure. Monitor operational performance, vessel turnaround time, and productivity. Ensure compliance with safety, HSC, and maritime regulation. Coordinate with customer shipping lines and logistics stakeholder. Handle KPI reporting, budgeting, and operational efficiency. Experience 15 to 20 years. Type of industry shipping. Any graduate. Interested candidate may please share the CVs on the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading customized cable management companies looking out for a business development executive. Location Mumbai. Experience 3 to 7 years. Qualification any graduate. Gender preferred male. Sector infrastructure construction MEP. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading freight common companies looking out for a pricing executive. Location Mumbai and Andheri. Key responsibility freight pricing and quotation management, air and sea shipment coordination, vendor and carrier relationship management, sales support and customer response handling. Experience 0 to 2 years. Gender preferred male. Type of industry freight forwarding. Qualification any graduate. Interested candidate please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading construction company is looking out for a procurement executive and manager. Key responsibility procurement planning and strategy, tender and subcontractor management, contract administration, cost control and vendor management, project coordination, post award contract management, team management, and reporting. Location Mumbai. Experience 8 to 15 years. Type of sector engineering infrastructure, large scale construction. Qualification graduate. Interested candidate may please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading conglomerate company is looking out for a naval architect position based out of Worli. Key responsibility would be vessel design and development, stability and introduction analysis, knowledge of classification, society, yards, offshore structure and submarine specialized vessel design, testing and simulation, maintenance and modification, proficiency in shipping and shipping design software. Experience 8 to 10 years industry, shipbuilding, ship design, marine structure. Qualification BE, naval, marine, mechanical. Interested candidate, please share the CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. India is one of the leading conglomerate company requires company secretary. Position based out of Kulaba, experience 3 to 4 years post qualification, gender any, type of sector, infrastructure, construction, qualification, company secretary. Interested candidate, please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading infrastructure company is looking out for executive assistant to MD. Position based out of Andheri. Key responsibility due to calendar and meeting management, travel planning, preparing meeting agendas, coordinated with drafting reports, etc. Gender, any qualification, any graduate experience 2 to 5 years. Interested candidate may please share their CVs on the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading oil spill response company requires financial analyst. Location Navi Mumbai Turbe. Key responsibility financial analysis, business intelligence, cash flow management and treasury, budgeting and forecasting, financial reporting and compliance support, project finance and contract monitoring, group reporting and HO coordination, qualification CFA, industry multinational export oriented organization, experience minimum 2 years to 10 years. Interested candidate may please share their CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading residential property management is looking out proper society is looking out for society manager. Key responsibility: manage society operation, ensure compliance, handle grievance and supervising staff, coordinating with vendors, maintaining financial record. Sorry, previous experience society manager in a good residential society. Experience minimum 5 years. Gender male. Type of sector residential property management, facility management. Qualification any graduate in a related field. Interested candidate please share CVs to the following email ID or scan the given QR code. One of the leading manufacturing company requires sales executive. Experience 3 to 7 years. Industry any. Qualification polymer science graduate. Interested candidate may please share your CVs with the following email ID or scan the given QR code. Kutbuddin Sabhakaran, assistant manager job, any Indian. Mr. Kutbuddin, somebody from the team will get in touch with you. Please share the profile. Mr. Mustaq, we have couple of positions. You can share your profile and somebody from the company will get in touch with you. Would you please share your profile? Somebody from the office will get in touch with you. We do have some positions in site engineers. Mr. Mr. Jad, please share your profile. Somebody from the office will get in touch with you with related positions. Mr. Arjun, please share your profile. Somebody from the company would get in touch with you. So this is our head office in Mumbai. You can share your resume on resume @ seagulhr.com. Our branches, Baroda, Delhi. Vizag, Kolkata, Kochi, Chennai, to share your profiles, you can scan the given QR code. You can follow. You can go to our website, our digital presence, Facebook, LinkedIn. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for joining us.